TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Let's check in on the markets. It's a relatively mixed day in both directions. You have the Dow negative by 5 points right now, trading 24,870. S&P is positive by 5 points, trading at 2723, and the Nasdaq positive by 24 points, trading 73.55. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and so there are our ups and downs for the session. Dow Jones starts out the day, let's call it 25,000 on the mark. We come into the opening bell, and from there we cascade from about 9:30 all the way until about 11:30. We trade from 25,000 all the way down to almost 27,000, 24,696. So you're talking about 300 points to the downside. From there, we trade up to 24,942. So you're talking about 240 points back to the upside. And from there, we've trailed off about 80 points currently from that high level we made at about 1 o'clock, currently trading 24,863. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar price action. The highs of the session at about 1030. We're up there at about 69.38, call it 69.40. We trade almost down to 68.73. 72, pretty remarkable run. Almost a 70-point swing to the downside, almost a 60-point swing back to the upside. Currently trading 69.02 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P 500 swings as well. About 9:30, we're at the high, right where we opened, 27.32. From there, we trade down about 22 points to 27.10. From there, we're up almost 20 points to 27.30. Quite a two-way market for sure, currently trading 27.23. Crude oil was above $63 earlier in the session, currently trading 62.50. We'll get the API numbers for crude after the closing bell tonight, 4:30 Eastern Time, and we'll get those EIA numbers tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern Time. Gold contract getting quite a bid, almost up to 1340 earlier at about 11 a.m. Eastern Time. From there, we're back a bit, 1336. And Bitcoin struggling a bit this afternoon, currently trading 10,659 at the lows of the session. Stay tuned. We got our man David White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. Then, of course, Tom O'Brien live 3 till 5. And it's Tuesday. We got our man Andy Heck with the Commodities Hour live 5 till 6. Have a great afternoon, everybody.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If